Hi, welcome to Module 8, Snow White's Analogues. The learning objectives in this course are to examine analogues to the Grimm's version of the fairy tale, Snow White, and to integrate cultural context and social societal functions of the folk fairy tale here. Most specifically, we're going to be looking at gender and representations in Snow White and examining other sources, other versions of the tale from other cultures to draw a sort of comparison between or among those tales and the Grimm's version. I say their version. They purportedly were told the story by a woman who had heard it passed down from family member to family member, from the oral version. So we'll look at the ATU classification system. Here we are, Arn Thompson Utter classification system, 709. That's the number of this tale type. So they're tale types and Snow White. And you'll see that there are all sorts of subheadings, and you'll look at various tales and what they have in common. You'll look at variations, and you'll see a list here of the ATU tale type, and then the author, the year it was written down, the country of origin, and the language it's written in. And then, of course, you'll have a link access to the tale itself, although I have provided other tales for you to look at. So why are we doing this? You're going to use it as a jumping off point, looking at all those various aspects, where country of origin, date that it was first written down, to see the commonalities that run through these tales, and to see how these threads were born from tales from countries that could not ever possibly have heard, say, the Grimm's version in Russia, because it predates potentially the Grimm's version of the tale. And why is it that we share these common stories? And I think that's pretty much what you're going to be doing in this module. So you'll be looking at other different tale types, which should be interesting for you. And that's really it.